हमारा वीडियो स्टार्ट होता है खारगर रेलवे स्टेशन से। ये खारगर ओवरब्रिज है एंड यहाँ पर आपका हीरानंदानी है एंड यहाँ पर आपको उत्सव चौक भी मिल रहा है जो कि हमारे प्रोजेक्ट से जस्ट 5 मिनट्स दूर है। हमारा प्रोजेक्ट खारगर रेलवे स्टेशन से 5 to 6 मिनट्स दूर है। यहाँ पे खारगर में इस्कॉन टेम्पल, सेंट्रल पार्क, PKC2 भी लॉन्च हो रहा है। हमारा जो ये प्रोजेक्ट है वो सेक्टर 6 खारगर में लोकेटेड है। यहाँ पर एक्सक्लूसिव 3 BHK फ्लैट्स अवेलेबल है। सो चलिए हम अपने प्रोजेक्ट की तरफ बढ़ते हैं एंड लेट्स हैव अ टूर ऑफ इट।
Hi guys, so this is your host Muskan from Mirza Properties. As you can see, we have come up with a very luxurious and premium project which is located in Kharghar. So our project name is Sai Shakshat. So as you can see, this is the entrance lobby, double heighted entrance lobby. You can have a look at it. Now talking about our project, it is G plus 25 story tower building which is ready to move in. You will be getting only 3 BHKs over here. So for the parking you have ground floor, podium is on the first floor and the residential starts from the second floor. So keep watching the video till the end for all the details. Thank you. So let's have a look at the fully furnished show flat of 3 BHK inside Shakshat. So as you entered, this is the living hall. So it's very spacious, as you can see. बहुत ही अच्छे से यहाँ पर सब कुछ setup किया गया है. And this is the balcony. Now come, you can have a look at it. How beautiful it is. बहुत ही ज़्यादा खूबसूरत view मिलने वाला है आपको यहाँ से. So आपको यहाँ पे golf course and all everything would be visible from your balcony. Now you can arrange your sofa, your TV accordingly as you wish. So this is the dining area. This is the dining area, again quite spacious. Now you can arrange it according to you. Now we'll be entering the kitchen. So this is the kitchen. So you'll be getting black granite double platform. Sink is also provided. So all this is modular kitchen which is just a reference कि आप इसको कैसे organize कर सकते हैं. You'll be getting windows as well for the ventilation and you can you can keep your fridge over here. The space is also given. So now let's move. So let's move towards the first bedroom. Now you can have a look at it, how pretty it is. It is again a very spacious bedroom. You can arrange it according to you. Now आपको वहाँ पर space दी गई है for the wardrobe as well. There's a lot of space for the wardrobe, as you can see. Now coming back to here, you can see again you'll be getting a very spacious balcony with a very beautiful view again. So यहाँ पर भी आप अपना setup रख सकते हैं for the evening snacks and all that. So yeah, quite spacious. You can keep your television here. You can arrange it according to you. I'm so much in love with this. Now this is the lobby area. So you'll be getting a space over here for the sink, for the wash basin and for the washing machine as well. So now this is the common washroom as it's entering. So again, you'll be getting a sink again over here. एंड वेस्टर्न वॉशरूम है यहाँ पर, जैसे आप देख सकते हैं. और यहाँ पे आपको ग्लास पोर्शन मिल रहा है जहाँ पर आपका शावर उस साइड आपको प्रोवाइडेड है. अगेन यहाँ पे आपको विंडो है फॉर द वेंटिलेशन. द फिटिंग्स आर रियली ब्रांडेड. नाउ वी आर एंटरिंग द सेकंड बेडरूम. हैव अ लुक एट इट. इट इज़ सो ब्यूटीफुल. इट इज़ सो अमेजिंग. यहाँ पे आप किंग साइज, क्वीन साइज कैसे भी आप ऑर्गेनाइज कर सकते हैं. अगेन आपको यहाँ पे बहुत ही ज़्यादा बड़ा और स्पेशियस बालकनी मिल रहा है. यू कैन हैव अ लुक एट इट. अगेन बहुत आराम से यहाँ पे 4 to 5 people can easily stay in their balcony and have fun. Can have their tea and whatever they wish to. So again you can have a look at the flooring. आपको wooden flooring provided है. यहाँ पर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा space अच्छी खासी दी गई है for the wardrobe as well. Now you'll be getting attached washroom. Again the washroom is western washroom. You can have a look. And here is the sink as well. So यहाँ पे again आपको ये separation के लिए glass मिल रहा है. And वहाँ पर you are getting a dry area where you can keep your washing machine as well. So again the fittings are branded, shower and everything is provided over here. Now let's move to the third bedroom. Again the flooring is wooden. So here you would be getting a slightly different, view in the balcony. So again यहाँ पे बहुत ही ज़्यादा spacious है. You can see, you can have a look at it. यहाँ पे आराम से अपना TV, bed, wardrobe के लिए भी बहुत space दी गई है. You can arrange your wardrobe as well. So this is the third washroom and it's attached. Again you'll be getting a space over here. यहाँ पे dry area और the washing machine area यहाँ पर है. And showers and everything is branded. बहुत ही अच्छी fittings हैं. Again western washroom है. So I really hope you like this video. For more details or for contacting us, you can contact us on our contact number which is available in the description box below. For pricing details you can again contact us. Hope you liked it.